The Brondell Circle Reverse Osmosis System is WQA certified to remove chlorine, VOCs, and fluoride. It fits easily under your sink and operates without electricity, but its flow rate is too slow. So, is it worth it? We analyzed this under-sink water filter based on 5 critical factors to see if it's worth your money. So, without any further ado, let's get started. As always, you'll find links to exclusive discounts in the description below. Let's start with contaminant removal. Brondell RO is WQA certified to meet NSF standards 42, 53, and 58 to remove heavy metals, chlorine, cysts, and fluoride. Plus, it's got NSF 372 certification for material safety. And the best part, independent testing proves its water quality meets European regulations. It has 4 stages of filtration. First, a sediment pre-filter removes large particles like sand and rust. Then, a carbon pre-filter eliminates chlorine and VOCs. Next, the RO membrane filters out most contaminants, including lead, arsenic, and fluoride. Finally, a carbon block post-filter polishes the water, ensuring an excellent taste and odor. However, it doesn't add minerals back to your water or offer remineralizing filters, unlike its competitors like WaterDrop G3P600, which includes a remineralization option. Moving ahead, let's talk about the filtration capacity and water flow rate. The Brondell Circle Reverse Osmosis System has a filtration capacity of 40 gallons of water per day. You may experience a slow water flow right from the start, which reduces as you use it even with good water pressure in the home, but some people find it sufficient. It has a 30% water recovery rate, meaning that for every 1 gallon of feed water, it produces 0.3 gallons of purified water. This means it generates more wastewater than modern systems like WaterDrop G3, but in comparison to other traditional RO, it's decent. Talking about its design. Brondell RO features a sleek, compact setup that fits neatly under your kitchen sink, leaving ample space for other items, and it's visually appealing compared to other traditional systems. But do note this. Brondell Circle RO might look like a modern system with an internal pump, but it's a standard under-sink unit with a pressurized tank. It doesn't use a pump to boost filtration speed or reduce wastewater as we discussed earlier. With that, let's focus on its ease of installation and maintenance. The Brondell RO comes with everything required for the installation. You need to ensure you have a faucet hole at least 7 by 16 inches wide. If not, drill one. Feed the blue tubing through the escutcheon and install the faucet on your countertop, securing it with the plastic and lock washers. For drainage, drill a 0.25-inch hole, attach the drain clamp, and connect the white drain tube. All in all, it takes an average of 1 hour to install the system. Manuals and video tutorials are there to guide you throughout. After you've installed the system, it's vital to turn on the water and check for leaks. Then, run the faucet for 10 minutes, let the system fill for 40 minutes, and repeat the process. Its faucet features a blue LED that gently flashes while the RO water flows, and it turns red when it's time to change the filters. Brondell generally requires filter replacements every 6 months. This includes the sediment pre-filter, carbon pre-filter, and carbon post-filter. The RO membrane lasts longer, thanks to automatic flushing, and you need to change it only after 2 years. Replacing the filters is effortless, no tools are required. Just insert the new filter and give it a quick quarter turn to secure it in place. The cost for replacement filters is $80 every 6 months for the carbon and sediment filters and $90 every 2 years for the RO filters, which is comparatively expensive. Let's move ahead with customer support and warranty. Brondell provides quick customer service to assist with any questions you may have. You can reach out to them through the contact form mentioned on their website. It provides a 1-year warranty for items with flaws in materials or craftsmanship. To wrap things up, here's our key takeaway. If you want a certified RO system that effectively removes a wide range of contaminants and has a sleek design, the Brondell Circle is a great option. However, if you want a better flow rate, remineralization options, and cheaper replacements, you can go for other under-sink options like WaterDrop G3P600, which we reviewed here, so check that out now.